What's up, y'all? Welcome to my video. Welcome to willyoupressthebutton.com. It's like a would you rather, but it's much more serious than that, I think. All right. Would will you meet the love of your life, but you have to drive 12 hours to Outback Steakhouse to meet here? Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Who would not? It's your love of your life. You gotta take a risk for her or him. All right. Bill Gates dies and you inherit his money, but you lose both your hands. No replacements. Oh, no, no. I'm not doing that. Ew. I'd rather keep my hands. So far, everybody agrees with me. Ooh, this is a long one. You could bring one loved one back to life, but you must journey to a forbidden land to find a godlike entity who requested you kill 16. Call the sea. First, nothing but a boat. That's too much work. I'm gonna see him in the afterlife anyway, and then we'll spend all eternity together. You get a loyal pet dragon capable of flight, fire breathing, and full understanding of the human language. But the dragon has separation anxiety issues, going on destructive rampages when left alone. I would choose that. Yeah, yeah, I'd get that. This is the greatest one ever. Uh, You become a superhero with enough money to afford all the gadgets you need to fight crime, but your parents are brutally murdered in front of you. That was dark. Um, wow. No, I like my parents too much to have them brutally murdered in front of me. All right, you receive the body of your dreams, but you cannot communicate in any way with anyone for a year. That's fine with me. It's the body of my dreams, and it's only for a year. 365 days. Hell yeah! It's only for that amount of time. That's nothing compared to our lifespan. You can read other people's minds, but while you are reading their mind, you can hear you reading it. They can hear you read. Oh, no, no. What's the point of reading people's minds if they could feel that you're reading it? Stupid. You learn with 100% certainty that everything about your own concept of religion is true, but you are incapable of proving its truth to anyone. I'm fine with that. That's the world we live in now. Let's go. You can get anything you want, but you must sell your. Hmm. Nah, I won't press it because I love my boo boo. My boo boo is my boo boo. You can drive any car you want, as fast as you want, anywhere, but you have to take turns every 13 minutes with a person you. I could not do that. Nope. Because person I hate, I could not stand for days, and he's a bastardly man. It's terrible to be around. Be the most successful of the world, but diver. No, 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 no. That's terrible scenario. Okay, good. People agree with me. God, that is terrible. You have perfect vision so strong that it adapts to near X-ray sight, but you have to cut out your. Hell no. That's nasty. So glad people all these questions people have been agreeing with me. So glad. Got thousands of people by my side. You earn $2 million each year, but you have to lick strangers' feet 5 out. No, I'm not some sick bastard. You become an expert at math. Well, I already am, but you forget how to speak English. Well, what like well, that's I can just I'll press it because I forget how to speak English. I can just speak another language. It'd take me a couple of years, but just speak another language. Oh, come on, y'all. You could conjure and eat one meal's worth of any food you want per day for the rest of your life. But room temperature water is the only thing you can ever drink again. No. I love my sodas. Soda's the best thing ever, and my green tea. You touch my green tea, you're gonna have a problem. Anyway, y'all, that was willyoupressthebutton.com. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you liked it, subscribe. You might enjoy my channel. Y'all have a wonderful day.